So, this is...
They're too low. You gotta put them up.
So, have you got yours in the right place?
Yeah.
Okay, smile. Good. That's beautiful. Now take your glasses off, Dan, and I'll do another one.
I'm going to look at my lovely bride.
Oh, this is the day that we decided to wear grapes in our teeth. We've got grapes in our cheeks so that we look younger. Takes the lines out.
Oh, how are you? Yeah,
December 6, 2006, Macleese Lake. And this is Florence and George Kennard goofing around with
So
Sandra.
right now, here, let's go over in the light.
This
Okay.
is the fortified George and Florence.
Come on over in the light.
Oh, dear.
George, I'm not even.
Okay, now. You got
Okay.
it in the light.
Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3.
There we are.
Thank you. Okay, wait, I'm going to come in here and get into a picture too. Here.
Great.
How are you?
No, I've got fat enough cheeks. Don't point it up there. It's a movie.
You want my grapes?
Bye for now.
That's good.
Wait a second.